These are 3 tips to manage a property you recently inherited. Number 1, know your exit strategy. That's what we call it in the real estate world. What that means in layman terms is know the end goal for the property you inherited. Are you going to keep it and rent it out? Are you going to keep it and rent it out to family? Are you going to sell it on the market? Are you going to sell it off market? Are you going to keep it for a while until after the election and see what you're going to do going forward? Or are you going to move into the property yourself? Are you going to make repairs and then sell the home? What are you going to do? This is important because that will determine how you will manage the property, right? And what I mean by that is, say you wanted to put tenants in a property, but then the property needs to be fixed up. Where's that money going to come from? Is it going to come from the estate itself, the inheritance, the cash that came in the estate? If there was cash that came in the estate, are you going to use your own money? What does the market look like? What does the market look like, or is the market supporting as far as rental income? Have you ran the numbers on how much it will cost? Like what the difference between the mortgage and the rent? Is there a mortgage? What do you know what I'm saying? So when you start to understand what your end goal is, then you could kind of reverse engineer, go backwards, and then understand how you should proceed in the present time. Now, number 2, outsource. How to manage a property you inherited. Think about outsourcing. And what I mean specifically is getting a property management company involved. And depending on how many houses you've inherited, or if it's a multifamily, or even if it's just a single family, does it make sense number wise? And you can contact me to understand the numbers, or contact any real estate professional to understand the numbers of the property. And does it make sense to give 10%, 8%, 12%, whatever the property manager is charging to get it off your hands? You know what I'm saying? My mentors have taught me about buying your time back. So even in my business, I only do highly leveraged tasks, or tasks that I'll do it once, like this video, and it'll help me in the long run and help my customers in the long run. And what I mean, and how that ties back into you outsourcing to a property management company, outsourcing the other people that can help you, is it frees up you to do time. It frees up your time to do other things associated with the estate and other things in your personal life. So that'll be my second tip on managing a property you inherited. And then my third tip is to make a checklist. Stay organized. It's going to save you a lot of headaches, right? You need to get a itemized list on, if, say, the property needed repairs, say you were going to sell the property, and you're going to make the repairs before you sell the property, and you need an attorney. An itemized list to help you understand how much it will cost after interviewing multiple contractors, and then you can write down the costs associated with that. Then you can write down the realtors that you want to interview, and the times and the dates, and you see how a list can help you. Like, it can help you get the things out of your head onto the physical realm. So we're going from non-tangible to tangible, writing down, helping you get organized so that you can alleviate some brain space to take on this newfound responsibility with skill, tact, and poise. If you got any value from this video, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment like, hey, great work, or just leave anything that you want to know about the non-legal aspects of inheriting a property. I could probably answer the question or refer you to somebody who will. But there's nobody here in Jersey who's going to give you the value that I'm going to give as far as real estate professionals, and help you navigate better than I will. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. And if you think about putting your home on the market, you can call me at 973-352-7792. And I'll help you get the most money for the home that you recently inherited. Thank you guys for